You're looking for windows? Here's the top 5 things you're gonna need to get started. Number 1, first question is gonna be, is it a new construction window or a replacement window? Now, people get confused when they hear new construction because they'll say, well, it's going in my current home, it's not new construction. When they refer to new construction, it means you're ripping out the entire existing window and replacing it in its entirety. Typically, if someone's redoing siding, pulling interior trim, they're putting an entire new window in place. A replacement window fits inside the existing frame on a house. So a replacement window will come into play if someone doesn't want to replace their interior trim, if they don't want to disturb their siding, and both have advantages. And your local dealer can talk you through what's most appropriate for your home. If you're not sure, the best thing to do is number 2. You've heard a picture is worth 1,000 words. Bring photos. Give someone an idea of what your goal is. Let them see what it is. If it's a new construction home, if it's an addition, bring the plans along, bring photos along, use Pinterest, anything you have, a wish list. The more someone can obtain your vision for what you're looking to do, the easier it's gonna be to talk you through what the best products are for you. Number 3. Sizes. If you have a new construction home and you have blueprints or an addition, you're probably going to have your sizes. You're going to want to bring that along with you. If it's replacement, even if you get someone an idea of what the size is, that's really going to help move things along for you and make things easier for everyone involved. Number 4, what selections do you like? A lot of folks are doing black windows or taupe windows now on the outside. Is that something you're interested in? What about the inside? Are you planning to stain or paint? How do you intend to trim the window? What sort of lock finishes do you like? There's tons of options out there, and if you speak with your local dealer and you have that information ready to go, along with those photos and those plans, that's gonna get you a lot further, a lot quicker, and it's gonna help them guide you on what would be best for your specific project. Here's another little bonus for you. Grill patterns or divided lights, muntins, there's so many different words for them, but what does that mean? That's the bars that are on the glass. If you're interested in that and you're interested in certain patterns, come prepared with that. Even if it's a few different options, that can really help someone guide you along. I'm not gonna get into it because there's so many options out there, but looking at grill patterns and trying to see what really works for your design and your space is a super win when you're going into a dealership. 5, budget. Budget is not a 4-letter word if you're shopping for windows. It's a detail that's important just as much as grill patterns, just as much as size, just as much as window type. If someone knows where you need to be on a project, then they know where to guide you and not waste your time and their time. There's so many different products out there and so many different options, it can really be difficult to navigate a project without knowing at least somewhat of an idea where a price is. So don't be afraid of discussing price. Don't be afraid of talking about we're trying to be tight on this, or we really have this certain detail that we have to nail, so they can really guide you appropriately to ensure you get exactly what you want for a price that's fair and reasonable for everyone. So that's my top 5 items that you should have if you're going into a window dealer to ensure that you're getting the best bang for your buck, to make sure that you're bringing all the details and to make sure that your project goes off without a hitch. If you need any help, visit us at monmouthmillwork.com.